Hello everyone. Students, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is our environment. First is the term environment. Everything that surrounds an organism, that is its physical world as well as biological world, is called environment of that organism. Students, the environment includes physical surroundings like soil, water, air, and all the living organisms like plants, animals, and microorganisms. These various living and non-living components interact with each other and maintain a balance in the environment. Okay? So, for maintaining a balance in the environment, both the components are important. Their interaction forms an ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? What are its components? That we will study later. Now, our topic is what happens when we add our waste to the environment. The material that becomes useless after being used and needs to be discarded is called waste. Students, every day we generate a lot of waste through our activities. This waste can be domestic, municipal, agricultural, hospital, or industrial. All this waste can be classified into two main categories. First is biodegradable waste and second is non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste, the waste materials that can be broken down into simple, harmless substances by the action of various microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. These wastes are called biodegradable wastes. Students, these microorganisms actually release enzymes. You know na? What are enzymes? Biocatalysts. Okay. These microorganisms release enzymes. These enzymes act on this waste, biodegradable waste, and break it down into smaller harmless substances. All these enzymes are specific in their action. They can break down only the natural materials or the products which are made up of natural materials. They cannot break down artificial man-made materials. Okay, so these enzymes are specific in their action. That is why only biodegradable wastes can be decomposed by these microorganisms. What are the examples of these biodegradable waste? The examples of these biodegradable waste are vegetable and fruit peels, cotton, jute, that is all natural fibers, paper, tea leaves, leather, animal and agricultural products. These all are the examples of biodegradable waste. So what are the effects of these biodegradable waste on the environment? How do these biodegradable waste are cause of concern to us? Due to the following reasons. Number one, their decomposition. There means biodegradable waste. The decomposition of biodegradable waste produces foul smell that pollutes the surrounding environment. Okay. Next is disease carrying germs breed on the garbage heaps and spread diseases like typhoid, diarrhea and cholera. Sometimes heavy rainfall washes away these waste to water sources and make it unfit for use. Okay, so these are the harmful effects of biodegradable waste. Now, our next topic is non-biodegradable waste. Opposite to the biodegradable waste, the waste materials that cannot be broken down into harmless substances by natural biological process. That is, by the action of bacteria and fungi. Why? Because enzymes do not work on man-made things. Okay, so the non-biodegradable waste include plastics, polythene bags, synthetic fibers like nylon, polyester, rayon, ballpoint pens, refills, glass items, aluminium cans, DDT. What is the full form of DDT? Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. It is a pesticide which is used to kill pests. The pests are the organism which harm our crops. Okay, so pesticide is the chemical which is used to kill those pests, and the example, one of the example of these pesticide is DDT. This is also non-biodegradable. Mercury, lead, radioactive waste, all these things are non-biodegradable waste, and these non-biodegradable waste form major pollutants of the environment. How do these non-biodegradable waste affect our environment? Dumping of these waste in open fields pollute the soil and thus reduce its fertility. These wastes enter the food chain through crop fields and cause several health problems in living organisms. Beside these two, one more point is there. That is, the harmful chemicals and pesticides seep into the soil and contaminate the groundwater sources. These three are the harmful effects of non-biodegradable waste. In the next class, we will study about ecosystem.